Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Junglist Entertainment. We'll give you hot gist of all the trends happening in Nigeria, Africa, and globally. Please be kind enough to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and the notification icon so as to stay updated whenever we upload new hot trending content. So many things have been happening in our beloved country, Nigeria. Well, there's this news that have been going around Tonto Dike, Jimena, Monfa, Bobrisky, and Bobrisky's ex-PA. Oh yeah, they'll be trending on the social media for quite some time now. Recently, we got this news from the desk of Bobrisky's former PA, Oye. According to Oye, she said Bobrisky was always knocking me at night after doing PA by daytime. At night, he knocks me. Bobrisky's former PA, Oye, Kaime drags him again. Wow, this is not the first time Oye is dragging Bobrisky or the second time. According to Oye, that she works for Bobrisky twice, a day and night. That during the day, she does PA job for Bobrisky, and during the night, Bobrisky knocks her. And there's, I mean, so many things have been happening, so many things. Well, Bobrisky's ex-PA, Oye, has revealed that the crossdresser acts like a woman just to make money, and he actually likes women. Oye added that she did more than assist Oye added that she did more than assist Bob, and he beat her up when she wanted to make new friends. The Ivorian lady also talked about how the experience haunted her when she went back to her country. That is like double wahala, working during the day and nights, working as a PA during the day and being knocked at night. We know Oye, she used to be friends with Bobrisky in Ivory Coast, always supporting Bobrisky cross-dressing lifestyle. Bobrisky invited her over and made her his PA. And now Oye is now telling us that Bobrisky used to knock her at night. We don't even know who to believe. We don't even know if we should believe Oye or Bobrisky. And we have this news that be going on that Monfa used to knock Bobrisky too. And we have this news that be going on social media that Monfa used to knock Bobrisky too. Is it that Bobrisky used to be knocked and Bobrisky knocks? Like Bobrisky is the middle person here. He receives knocks and gives knock. About her being pregnant. Everybody was like channeling the pregnancy or the father of the baby to Bobrisky. Less than 3 hours, Oye came in and said she was just joking. She was doing everything just to get fame. Oye is famous right now because people keep following her on IG, seeing her stories. Do you really think Oye was knocking, or do you really think Bobrisky was knocking Oye? In the nighttime, everybody has something to say. Yeah, we have so many netizens in the country. So please drop a comments on what you think on the comment section below. Still talking about Bobrisky, we know this thing has been, there been drama that has been going on between Bobrisky and billionaire Monfa. Recently, Bobrisky dropped "So I Slept With You" or "Stop the Rick Maro Businessman." Monfa tells crossdresser Bobrisky. There was this drama that has been trending around where, people were saying, but there was this news that Monfa was sleeping with Bobrisky. So Monfa has now asked Bobrisky to tender a proof that he slept with Bobrisky. Well, it's news, and we'll keep you updated with all the recent activities. Still coming from the desk of Monfa, as I said, Monfa, Bobrisky, Oye, and Tonto Dike, they have been in this drama recently. Tonto was never my friend. It was same you Bob who introduced her to me, and it was same you Bob who told me Tonto was talking shit about me, which made me dislike her. Then, in the voice notes, I purposely didn't unsend it because I want you to have something to post which shows I was asking you to gist me what happened. You unsend many things in our chat because you thinking Tonto is my friend. Now, Bob, you unsend many things in our chat because you thinking Tonto is my friend now. Baba, the question is, did I knock you or not? Show proof and stop beating about the bush. And you even said you have more to post. Please post it because your punishment they increase. Beg, dirty boy. He can beg money for proof. Evidence that they were knocking. Wow. Sometimes we get confused about these guys. Well, according to Bobrisky, sent a message to Monfa. He said, Monfa, You and I know I don't follow no blogger. I mind my business. I could remember when blogger posted that news. Then you were the first person to push it to my DM, and you were saying all sort of things. I wonder why you all are acting all innocent. I don't take myself for all of una with this una two-face. Well, don't punish me to post more, cause it will be bloody. Bye for now. That came from the desk of Bobrisky. Still for the desk of Bobrisky, he said, okay, I won't post anything. I will let you all believe anything you want to. But tell Mofa and co to watch their mouth. Bobrisky said this same Mofa want me not to be friends with Anita Joseph. Till now, Anita fishy hear anything from my mouth just because I am mature to keep a conversation. But when you come out to disrespect me and come to my DM to kiss my ass, that is not fair. Also, for the desk of Mofa, I say this jam along. For the desk of Mofa said, my attention has been drawn to a statement credited to Idris Okuneye, aka Bobrisky, which is currently receiving traction across the social media. In the statement, Bobrisky stated that I gave Tonto Dike the sum of 300,000 naira without his knowledge. I wish to state that this is not only untrue, but a deliberate attempt by Bobrisky, who is notorious for seeking attention through every means, including blackmail, to smear and ridicule my personality before the world. Rather, it was Bobrisky who informed me that Tonto Dike has accused me of being too stingy, which I refuted as untrue. The truth is that I only gave the sum of 300,000 naira to Tonto Dike for her foundation when she pleaded with me to support her pet project. It has, however, come to my knowledge that Bobrisky was actually at loggerheads with Tonto Dike and resorted to use my name to discredit her before the general public to know that Tonto Dike is just a friend like every other friends I have both within and outside Nigeria. And there's nothing hidden in my friendship with Tonto Dike or anyone whatsoever. Therefore, I'm using this medium to sound a note of warning to Bobrisky to desist from mentioning my name in my half with Tonto Dike or anyone whatsoever, as he is not my friend and I did not waste my precious time on frivolities. Any further attempt by Bobrisky to drag me into this issue will be addressed. Yes, I want lawyers to be in the public that I, Ismail Mustafa, as a devoted Muslima and a family man, have never and will never associate myself with gay people. My faith forbids it. Well, we'll fair for the desk of Mofa, we'll fair for the desk of Bobrisky, we've heard it too from the desk of Bobrisky. There was this allegation that came up that Mofa has been snacking Bobrisky. And now Bobrisky PA is saying Bobrisky Naxa. So Bobrisky is like the middle person here, collecting knacks and giving knacks. Well, I play to you for this country, for these people. Well, according to Mofa, he said he doesn't have anything to do with Tonto Dike or with Bobrisky. He has said it. Well, we don't know who to believe. According to what I just heard, according to the news I just read, Nigerian billionaire Mofa has threatened war on Bobrisky on his return to Lagos and advised the crossdresser to run away. Yeah, that was what Mofa said. The businessman made this statement as he shared an old video of the first time he visited Bobrisky in the crossdresser's house for lunch. Mofa said he has only met Bobrisky twice in his life. You met Bobrisky twice in your life. Well, please drop your comments on what you think on the comment section. Let us move on now to Tonto Dike. We've heard from Mofa, we've heard from Bobrisky, we've heard from Bobrisky PA. Oh yeah, let's hear from Tonto Dike. For a desk of Tonto Dike to Bobrisky, he said, I used to clean his leaking yash with 2 packets of cotton wool every 5 hours. Tonto Dike reveals Bobrisky's condition. Who should we believe here? Tonto Dike says she used to clean Bobrisky's leaking yash. You know what it means for somebody's yash to be leaking? That means she's receiving knack from, or he's receiving knack from the yash. And according to Bobrisky, former PA, oh yeah, he said Bobrisky is knacking her. And there was this rumor that Mofa was knacking Bobrisky. What is really happening? Who should we believe? And Tonto Dike has said it that she used to use 2 packs of cotton wool every 5 hours. Come on. The friendship tight. Why not ask her or hear him to go to the hospital. Bobrisky has money. He should have a private doctor. But Tonto Dike decides to, do the job of a doctor by cleaning Bobrisky's leaking yash with Kotiwo. Well, that is friendship. That means Tonto Dike really likes Bobrisky to be doing that. We don't even know who to believe in this drama. Well, for a desk of Bobrisky to Tonto Dike, he said, "You are close to 40, please act your age. Now you rent car pass." Bobrisky throws shade hours after Tonto Dike claims celebrities rent money to flout. Tonto Dike has slammed on Instagram dancer Jenemina over a cryptic message the dancer shared on her social media page. Trouble started when Jemina took on her Instagram stories talking about a certain person who had threatened to go to court but chickened out. He said she ready to go court, but she did run up and down. Stay one place and sign the papers. Fear, no condition is permanent. Sapa everywhere, she wrote. Reacting to this, Dike slammed Jenemina, calling her an adulterous twerker. This adulterous twerker say I dey fear to sign papers. Tell your charge and bail lawyer that he knows who Festus Kayomo is and where he can locate his office, she said. Bobrisky, Tonto Dike, Jenemina, Oye, and Monfa. Make una calm down. We don't hear. Una don't give us my story, we don't hear. But this story, una don't give us my story, we don't hear. But well, this story is still coming up. We'll still get evidence. We'll see hear more. You know, most times the story does come up and die down. It will shoot again on everything that happens around this story, around these 5 people I just mentioned. Thank you very much for watching Juggling Entertainment. We hope you entertain. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and the notification icon so as to stay notified whenever we upload or give you hot trending content. Take care of you and please do have a memorable day.